Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 23rd, 2025, we're diving into Bitcoin, BTCUSD, examining the news and the charts to see what's next. Bitcoin is making headlines today. Let's take a look at what's driving the market based on a recent Google search. Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high of $111,000. Yahoo Finance reported that Bitcoin's rally pushes the token into record territory, fueled by institutional demand and support from the Trump administration. We're also seeing excitement on Twitter regarding Bitcoin's all-time high, with various figures commenting on its potential for higher prices. The Cointelegraph says Bitcoin's bull market is in full force. Bitcoin's market cap has surpassed Amazon. There's a lot of optimism for Bitcoin. Now, let's transition to the charts and see what they're telling us. Here's the one-day chart for BTCUSD. Let's narrow the time frame to focus on the most recent price action, starting in January 2025. Looking at the daily chart, we see a significant rally in May, pushing Bitcoin to new highs, in line with the news. However, the last few candles suggest some indecision. A potential reversal may be in the works. Keep an eye on the $110,000 level as key resistance. A break above this level could signal further upside, with $125,000 as the next target. To get a better grasp of the short-term dynamics, let's switch to the 1-hour chart and narrow the focus to May. This will give us a closer look at the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see a more detailed picture of the recent volatility. The uptrend is apparent, but there are also signs of potential exhaustion. If the price breaks below the $109,000 support level, it could lead to a short-term pullback towards $107,000 or even $105,000. Now, let's zoom in further to the 15-minute chart to identify any immediate trading opportunities. This chart is useful for pinpointing short-term entries and exits. On the 15-minute chart, we observe short-term fluctuations within a defined range. Keep an eye on support around $109,200 and resistance around $112,000. A breakout from this range could offer a quick trading opportunity. However, trade with caution and manage your risk. In summary, the news is bullish, with Bitcoin hitting all-time highs and gaining mainstream attention. However, the charts are showing signs of indecision and potential for a short-term pullback. Key levels to watch are $112,000 as resistance and $109,000 as support. If Bitcoin breaks above $112,000 with conviction, the likelihood of reaching $125,000 increases. On the other hand, a sustained break below $109,000 could signal a short-term correction. Remember to always do your own research and manage your risk appropriately. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. We'll see you in the next one.